Hi, to download music on your Garmin Vivoactive 5 from PC or laptop, as a first step, you need to visit this webpage and here download Garmin Connect app for Windows. Just click on this blue button and after that you would see this app appears. Here just click on Add a device and now we need to plug it in. For that, use charging cable which goes in a complex with the device. This magnet port you need to connect to your watch, just like this, slightly press. And now the Type-C end we need to connect to the Type-C port of laptop. So let me do it quickly. And now it is plugged in. So we are waiting till it will find our device. And yep, here it is. First thing we can check is serial number, of course. And now we can add this device if the info matches. After that, we need to synchronize it with Garmin Connect. So here, choose either create an account or sign in. I'm gonna sign in because I already have an account. So simply enter your email and password. And let me do it quickly behind the scenes and get back to you. Now you would see those settings, so you can change device's nickname, you can rename it and then select different language. If you're done changing settings, you can just click on this next button and now we can connect to Wi-Fi. So if you just connected before, you'd see the name of your network right here, or you can click add a new network, but I'm gonna select mine just by tapping it like that. And now let's go next. So I'm gonna click on next. And now we are waiting till it will finish setting up. So now we can see this tab. First thing you need to check is the status connected. Now we can also click on this home icon and here you'll see your device and the option to add new one. And now to download music, we would need to click on this music tab. Select something from My Music section. So we got here categories like playlists, artists, albums, and so on. Let me choose this unknown album. And here I want to download this Sunny Day song on my watch. So you would need to select it by putting a check mark like I did. Simply click it like this till you could see this active option sent to device. Now let's click it and it is sending file and transfer is complete. So that's it. Now this sound should appear on our watch. And now let's check it. For that, I'm gonna press this down button on the watch. By the way, I already unplugged it from the laptop. So let's just press the down button so we can see this menu. Here, simply select settings. And after that, you will need to go in music section, select music providers, go in my music. Here, select something. I'm gonna choose albums. And here is song I downloaded from my laptop. So it is Sunny Days. And that's it, how it works. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.